What's up, fellas? You wanna see how I make my beats? You wanna see how I make my beats? Shit, I'll show you. I'll give you the world, man. Shit. I'll show you how I make my beats. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Shit, come on now, you know what I'm saying? You know my ancient, fossilized, prehistoric, old ass I was happy as hell when I seen radar on the shit. You know, neurons in my brain and shit. It reminded me of the good old days when, you know, music was mainly about selling crack and shit like that. So I don't even know what they talk about now. Cuban Links, Hellcats. Fuck this shit. This shit's fucking stupid. I hate rap music. It's all the same shit. That's like the main sound selection shit. It's just them old ass sound fonts, bro. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm back in culinary arts school, man. Shit. So, music theory for this fucking shit, bro, is important, right? This is kind of like the less is more type of shit. Check it out, like the C minor. It doesn't matter if it's C, A, B, D. The minor shit like this, you can go all the way like this. And click all them bitches. And that's how you get like some emotional shit, like you go like this. But with these type of crack beats, bro, you gotta keep it limited to just this, you know what I'm saying? Like, usually less is more. You know, sometimes you fuck with it like this and that and shit, but for the most part, yeah, just don't touch the emotional notes because we're not doing that shit, man. Might as well put a little ear candy up in there. Ain't nobody give a fuck, man. Shit. I might be like one of the worst beat mixers of all time, but I've been learning, you know what I'm saying? You're never too late to learn this shit. You feel me? Shit. Come on now, shit. It's true what TM88 was saying, talking about the Arabics and the Africans, how the drums gotta be louder. But seriously though, right? It's like I was hitting the booth and shit, and I'm like, yeah, if you think about it, it is kind of just like an illusion, bro. Like music, like like mixing is an illusion. Like you gotta be a magician with anything, like making a beat, making a preset, and it's gonna sound stupid because it is stupid, but being quieter does kind of make it louder if you think about the fact that it's all just like a a battle for who gets the frequencies. It's like this one's gonna cancel out that one and shit when you're talking about like phases and everything. So it's like, yeah, fuck it, man. You know, hey, if you're trying to make it sound clean, right, I'm trying to make this one sound clean. Sometimes I'm trying to make some dirty ass sewer music, you know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with that shit, but hey, I'm just saying.